10 tips for genital hair removal. Choosing a suitable hair removal method and applying heat pack are simple measures that can help reduce irritation from genital hair removal. Generally, there are often side effects. Some allergies and small cuts can be quite annoying. Today, we would like to share with you 10 good tips to keep in mind the next time you do hair removal. Tips to help you avoid irritation after genital waxing. It is best to take some precautions to reduce them. Number 1. Avoid total hair removal. Although hair removal in the genital area provides confidence and comfort, it is not recommended in terms of health. Pubic hair is a protective barrier against sexually transmitted diseases, candidiasis, and other conditions. Complete hair removal increases the risk of bursitis. Number 2. Choose the appropriate hair removal method. It is advisable to choose an alternative method of hair removal. Number 3. Use an exfoliating scrub. This simple treatment prepares the skin for hair removal. Number 4. Use a good technique for genital hair removal. It also means starting with the area first. Number 5. Use a moisturizing gel or cream. It is necessary to buy moisturizing gel or cream for the sensitive area. Number 6. Apply heat. The heat dilates the pores and allows the hairs to come out more easily. Number 7. Cut the hair with scissors. Reduces irritation and redness after hair removal. Number 8. Use aloe vera gel. Immediate application to the sensitive area controls itching and redness. Number 9. Apply disinfectant lotion for genital hair removal. These products contain compounds that kill germs on the surface of the skin while controlling inflammation. Number 10. Not shave before menstruation. It is best to do this at least a week in advance. Do not forget that this is a sensitive area prone to infection. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.